What's going on, guys? Drew Meister back here with another video. I am on Mount Trashmore. You all want to see the city of Cedar Rapids? Here's a good view around for you. I'll start from right here. Here we go. Cedar Rapids is a good town. Yes, it is. If y'all think that was the most beautiful thing I've ever seen, I hope you guys will too. This is Drew Meister signing off. Actually, no, P.S. Darian, my babe, my lover, my rock, if you're watching this, I was just joking around about you being 42 years old. You're 24, I know you are. So, yeah. And always remember, do what you love, never give up. Drew Meister signing off. See you guys next time. Peace out.